My name is Manny, and tonight it's a total lunar eclipse. It's called the Weaver Moon. Yeah, you can see the moon colored red right now. It started at around 5:19 in the afternoon, but the time now is around 7:05 in the evening. Okay, time now is 7:58 p.m. and the total lunar eclipse has just happened, and it's about to exit. As you can see here, you can see the crescent once again. Okay, it's amazing. It's still red, but the light is coming out again. Okay, there you go. Okay, time now is 8:03 p.m. Let's zoom it up with the zoom. Oh yeah, look at that. Times 2, ladies and gentlemen, on my Sony a6000. There you go. It's amazing. By the way, it's a full moon tonight called the Weaver's Moon. Also a total lunar eclipse a while ago. Okay. 1 advantage is having a telescope is with your camera is that you can view the eclipse in close-up, like filling up the frame on live view. Okay, so there you go. Okay, time now it's 8:17 in the evening, and it's past halfway. We can see the full moon again without the red, without the shadow of the earth. It's going back to normal. It's halfway. Okay, alright, let's see. Let's reduce brightness. There's the moon. You can see the craters once again. Again, I'm using my Sony a6000 mirrorless camera body attached or mounted on the Tasco Luminova 4.5-inch 900mm Newtonian astronomical telescope. It's a reflecting telescope with a 4.5-inch mirror and an f8 aperture. Okay, it's 8:20 in the evening, and clouds are start forming around the moon, but still we can see the event is past halfway. The shadow of the earth is soon exiting. We can see it's almost like a gibbous moon. Okay. Okay, it's 8:23 in the evening. That's so bad. There's some clouds now covering the moon. Okay, as you can see here, let's try to reduce exposure. There, it's halfway. We're halfway there. Okay, the cloud is back. It's so bad now. Got too much glare in here and haze. Let's reduce exposure once more. You can still see the shadows. Okay. Okay, the glare is so bad now. I mean the mist. Clouds is covering the moon, so we can't do anything. Right now, the cloud is so thick. I guess I gotta stop it right here. Okay, so it's 8:30 in the evening, and thick clouds are covering the moon now. I guess we can't do anything here. We cannot see what's going on. I guess I gotta stop the video right now. So this is a total lunar eclipse and the next one happening in 3 years from now in 2025. So it's quite rare. Anyway, I gotta add up here. Thanks for watching. Until next time, and good night.